welcome. This is Brandon's review of the Nerf rival Apollo, and it's his birthday, so he received 2 of these guns today for his birthday. So let's hear about the Apollo Nerf rival.
So, I'm gonna start out with the gun. It's got a nice barrel. Instead of the traditional Nerf dart, it actually uses little foam balls. It's got a magazine that holds about 7 or 8 of them. It's got a quick trigger, which is nice. And it's got a really nice feature where if it's like this, then the trigger's hot, it can shoot. If it's like this, then it can't move. Then you have this. This can also be used for other Nerf attachments. This, it does nothing aesthetic-wise. Pull it back and push it out. It requires quite a bit of force. And once that's done, it shoots. So, also, you're holding it like this, and it wants to do this.
It's kind of hard.
You gotta keep that from doing that. Nice, big handle. And next up, we have the magazine and the bullets. Bullets don't hurt if they hit from close range. Yeah, they hurt. But if they don't, then, well, they're fine. And say you've got it filled up, and bam, fly out. So,
Lady wants to give you a kiss.
so yeah, simply you throw these in here. It's kind of tough to figure out.
You should put the balls in there and show us how it works.
I will be doing that with the attachment. So to get rid of it, there's a button at the back here. Press that button. Thing comes out. This also fits with this attachment, which holds much more ammo, up to 17 more ammo, and so
I'm sorry. She's just photobombing you. So cute.
The ball going quite easy. You just push them on a spring, and the spring pushes down. You can only fit a certain amount of balls in there until the spring force becomes too strong and they get pushed out. Many that will fit in here. Might fit on here. Nah, it doesn't fit well. And then, bam, it's in there. So, I'm gonna go over there and shoot it.
Okay. You're gonna shoot right there?
No.
You're gonna go over here?
Well, no, this should work.
Okay. Whoa!
It's nice and hard. It's totally. That's like in there.
That
The
thing
magazine
shoots hard.
empties quite easily.
It's a little hard to pull back though, huh?
Yeah, it's got a lot of force behind it.
And your arm gets tired?
Yep. So that's out.
Oh.
Ooh, like 4 or like 6 of them fit in the couch because they landed just right.
Oh, that's perfect.
That was great.
Cool. All right. Anything else you want to share?
Not much. I really like it.
Good.
Although it requires requires a lot of force to pull back.
Yeah.
Like there's tons of force to pull back. And you can get this in 2 color variants, blue and red.
Very cool. Awesome.
And something cool about this is if you're at close range with someone and they have the Nerf darts, then the balls are going to travel much faster. No, I'm not going to do that. The balls are going to travel much faster than the Nerf darts, so you're going to hit them before they're able to hit you.
Cool. Awesome. Well,
Yes.
thanks for sharing your review with us. I'm glad that you like your gift.
Just that we haven't opened it yet.
Oh, no. Why? So you could have it for a
Yep.
surprise again? Well, maybe you'll get more. You never know.
Mm.
All right.
Okay, well, that's
That's it. Okay. See you later.
Okay. See ya.
6 minutes.
Wow.
That is long.
This thing takes a while to showcase.
I hope it.
This wasn't the mastodon I was showcasing.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I couldn't get over her. She was so cute, sitting right there, looking at me, and then she like